Did you know that choosing the right thermostat for your home is an important decision that you shouldn't take lightly? It can save you real money and help to make you lots more comfortable. All you need to do is call the pros, the air repair pros, and we'll help you to optimize your home's HVAC system. There are only 3 different types of thermostats to choose from: mechanical, electric, and programmable. Mechanical thermostats use mercury to control temperature regulation. They can be used for heating and cooling. Unfortunately, they cannot switch between heating and cooling automatically. The next option are electronic thermostats. They use a liquid crystal display to show you the current set temperature points. Some models are very basic and they only use mechanical thermostats with LCD screens, while others include the abilities like changing automatically from heating to cooling. However, they are not able to change the temperature automatically based on the day or the time of day. The most advanced are programmable thermostats, which give you the advantage of an electronic thermostat, but they also allow you to set the temperature that you would like at a specific time, and the thermostat will automatically change to the temperature at that exact time. They come with options such as 7-day programmability, which allows you to have different schedules for each day, as well as weekend and weekday programmable models, which allow you to set the thermostat to fit your lifestyle, like having a schedule for Monday through Friday and a schedule for Saturday and Sunday. You might be asking, so where should I install my new thermostat? The thermostat should be mounted on an inside wall of your home, as near to the air return as is possible, about 5 feet from the floor. If you want help, all you need to do is call the pros, the air repair pros, and we'll have you up and running with an efficient system in no time. I promise.